everyone, and today we will make a delicious charlotte in a multi-cooker. For the preparation, we will need a couple of apples, 4 eggs, a cup of sugar, oils for greasing our mold, and flour. Well, as we go along you'll see I usually add 1.5 cups, a bit more than the sugar. So, let's watch the video and make it together with me. And to start, we separated the egg whites from the yolks and we'll beat the whites into a fluffy foam with the addition of sugar. Then we will gradually add the yolks. As we have already learned, this is a standard sponge cake recipe. So the sponge cake can be any type you are used to making, whichever you prefer. I really like this one. Let's fix it found. When I form a large cake, or rather a little bit, just as we started beating our egg whites, we will add a pinch of salt. And continue beating. We already have foam formed. We add sugar. And quickly blend it so that the sugar definitely dissolves in the mixture. We end up with such a fluffy, thick mass. Like this, the sugar has dissolved, but it would have dissolved almost completely if it were powdered sugar. Now into this mass we beat and also added. This is how we beat the yolk. This time we chopped our apples. Here is our beaten mass. We no longer need the mixer. We will stir. Combine the flour with our mass using a spoon. Or like me, with spatulas now we take the flour. I took 1 cup, and probably another one like this. Apparently not full. We will need another cup like this, so 2 such cups of flour. We are now sifting it in, and then somewhere between like this in Russia, or now we combine our mass like this and it will be fluffier. Of course, you can do this with a mixer, but you will notice feel that the mass is much fluffier when you combine it manually. It is very airy. And we get such a cream. This is the consistency you need to achieve for the whole mass. And take a pre-greased butter form from our multi-cooker and place it completely inside. All of this in the style of the medium, as follows. This is how we lay it out. You can also place it as you wish. Pour it in the middle if you like. I prefer it on top at home. It is understood closely, as if absorbing everything like this. So, and now we set it. Then close the thing with a pin. Set the valve to shield and switch to baking mode. Do not go. Set it more or less. Let it be 45 minutes. All for us. The girls started working. Let's see what we get. And now the time has passed. 45 minutes. We have such a pie waiting there. Now we will take it out. I'll show it to you up close, and this is what we got. Charlotte with apples on sponge cake dough. Very tasty. Very airy, fluffy, soft. On this dough, it turns out very delicious. Of course, it differs from what you get if you bake it in the oven. It would be more roasted. The apples would be browned on top. And at the bottom, it would be darker. In a slow cooker, it is more like this. It bakes completely differently, and the taste is slightly different. So it's up to personal preference. Very tasty. So we definitely have to try it there. The toaster is still rising. We see that it looks beautiful. And now I'll press a piece and share it with you. Bon appetit to everyone. We see what the dough is like. Yes, delicious, soft, and I would even say it's healthier in a slow cooker than if you bake it in the oven. So, bon appetit, cook with pleasure, stay on the channel, subscribe, and give likes. I would be very happy to see everyone.